Alright, what's going on? Today I'm starting the video in my room and I'll be showing you what we're going to be doing. As you can see in front of me, I do got a wheel. It is a Vertex 10 star in red. And then I got a Works Bell hub. I can get it open one-handed. Bingo. So this is going in the Skyline, so stay tuned, and I'll be showing you a little how-to, because there's not many on YouTube, so here it is. Alright, so as you can see, we're in the car, and I will have the links to both of these in the description. So my front wheels are straight. This is on locks, so it has like that tiny tilt to the right in it, so I need to remember that when I go to put that on. So with this wheel, you can kind of just pull right here, and it'll pop out. And then there's a clip right here. I already popped it out before, so as you can see, you're just targeting these clips that are right here, and then the steering or the horn plugs in right here. So if I'm wrong, but I think this should be a 19, which I have on a breaker bar, because as you know, these are usually pretty tight. So I'm gonna break this free and then show you the next step. All right, so as you can see, it's 19. Yeah, 19. So I got this going, but I'm not gonna take it fully off yet, because you're gonna want to pound and pull on this steering wheel until it breaks free. Then if you take this bad boy off, you're gonna be eating a steering wheel, so you don't want that. So I'm gonna maybe try to set up an angle to where you can see me do this, and if not, like I said, just bash and pull on this and she'll come off. So as you can see, I got this off. Shout out Crocs. Didn't even have to put them in 4-wheel drive. So now I'm gonna take the hub out, put the hub on, put the nut back on, and then put the wheel on. So stay tuned. All right, so you can see I got the hub back on. And now all I gotta do is place the wheel on. So I'm gonna try to show you guys, I did remember to tilt it a little bit, so it's tilted a little bit like that. So once the lock comes off, it should sit pretty perfect. So I got my hardware down here. So I don't know if you can see, but some are hex head. I'm using the Allen head. So I'm gonna attach that, and that basically sums it up. Alrighty, so as you guys can see, it's all the way in. I just capped off like the Hornet works, but I never use this, so I didn't even hook it up. But yeah, that is how to install a steering wheel in your R32 Skyline.